Infrequent bowel movements lead to abdominal pain, reduce appetite, and bloating. If you haven't had a stool, there are some ways you can help your digestion and make yourself poop immediately. Start with the gentler methods and try to adapt your diet and lifestyle. If the problem persists, talk to your doctor. Drink a cup of warm water with lemon juice. Drinking warm water with lemon juice can be especially helpful first thing in the morning, but you can drink warm water with lemon juice any time during the day. Just add about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to a cup, 8 ounces, of warm water. Sip the water slowly. Drinking warm water with lemon juice should soften your stools and help you have a bowel movement, but it may take a little while before it happens. If constipation is a frequent problem for you, then you may want to consider starting every day with a cup of warm water and lemon juice. If you don't have lemon juice, then you can also drink a cup of tea, coffee, or just warm water to help get your bowels moving. Mix up an Epsom salt solution. Epsom salts are approved by the FDA for use as a short-term laxative. If you have some Epsom salts at home, then you can mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of Epsom salts into 8 ounces of water and drink the solution. This should produce a bowel movement within 30 minutes to 6 hours. You can also take a bath with Epsom salts to help relieve your constipation. Fill a bathtub with warm water and add about 1 cup of Epsom salts to the water. Your body will absorb the magnesium in the Epsom salts through your skin. Eat some prunes or drink prune juice. Prunes are well known for their ability to produce bowel movements. If you have some prunes or prune juice around your house, then try eating or drinking some prunes to help you have a bowel movement. You don't need to overdo it, just have a few prunes or 1 cup of prune juice. 2 medium prunes contain about 2 grams of fiber and a cup of prune juice contain about 5.2 grams of fiber. If you are suffering from chronic constipation, try apple juice and prune juice cleanse. Drink 2 or 3 cups of prune juice in the morning on an empty stomach. A little bit later drink a cup of apple juice. This combination will certainly assist you in relieving your constipation and make you poop immediately. Try a baking soda solution. A mixture of baking soda and water may also help to relieve your constipation. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with 1/4 cup of water and drink the solution. This remedy can also help to relieve gas or an upset stomach along with your constipation. Keep in mind that baking soda is high in sodium, so this remedy is not ideal for people following a low sodium diet.